Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Neat Video for After Effects, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer. Ensure you save any projects you are working on before proceeding. Close After Effects to avoid any conflicts during the uninstallation process. Navigate to the location where Neat Video is installed on your computer. For Windows users, open the Control panel. Click on Programs and then select Programs and Features. Locate Neat Video in the list of installed programs. Right-click on Neat Video and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts in the uninstallation wizard to remove the plugin completely. For Mac users, open the Finder application. Go to the Applications folder. Locate the Neat Video folder inside the Applications directory. Drag the Neat Video folder to the trash. To ensure complete removal, check for any leftover files. Open the Library folder by holding down the Option key while clicking Go in the Finder menu. Go to the Preferences folder and look for any Neat Video settings. Delete any related Neat Video files you may find there. Return to the Library folder and open the Application Support folder. Check for any additional Neat Video files and remove them as necessary. Once all files are deleted, empty the trash to finish the uninstallation process. Restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Open After Effects again to confirm that Neat Video has been successfully uninstalled. Check your Effects and Presets panel to ensure Neat Video no longer appears in the list. You have now completed the uninstallation of Neat Video for After Effects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.